In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix location not working in the Find My app so you can track your devices or friends without any issues. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app. Click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Scroll down, navigate to the option Find My. Here you're going to find this option, Find My iPhone. Toggle on for all these options. Once you do that, head back. Now toggle on for the option Share My Location. Then you can go back to the main page of Settings. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Click on the option Location Services. Toggle on for the option Location Services, as well as click on the option Location Alerts and toggle on for this option as well. Then you can head back. Now find the app Find My. Click on it. Check in for the option while using app. Likewise toggle on for the option Precise Location. Now you can close this. Launch your Find My app. Check if your location is updating. If it's still not working, tap on me in the bottom right and confirm that Share My Location is enabled. You can also go back to Settings. Click on the option General. Now scroll down and head over to the option VPN and Device Management. Make sure you are not connected to any VPN. If connected, disconnect to it. And lastly, sign out and sign in back to your Apple ID. And that's it. Following these steps should fix the issue and get your location working properly again. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.